Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one delicious this is a delicious candy that you can make for your kids or any kids at all that is around you. You can eat it as well, but I know this is for kids and it's so delicious. You want to add sugar, white sugar. You can use brown sugar if you wish. If you have brown sugar and don't have white sugar, it's also good. Add a little bit of water, just small water, and then add any size of milk of your choice. I am using this powdered milk. I'm going to turn them. You can as well use condensed milk if you want, but I am using this powdered milk and was so good. I love it. Now I'm going to turn them and then add oil so that I can use it to smoothen it and as well make them come together very nicely. This is olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. So I am going to keep kneading them with this my wooden spoon until they come together. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do like, share, comment, send to your family, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Yes, so you keep doing this until you see that they are coming together. As you can see, it is coming together. You want to use your spoon to take off the remaining ones by the side. So now it's getting better and it has turned to brown. You want to make it turn to brown and then scoop it in, put it in a plate or in a plastic film. Plastic film. I put them in my plastic film and I'm going to allow it to cool down, but then before it cools down, I'm going to spread it, just make it flat. You don't need to design it or make it so. You can design it and make it beautiful. You can turn it, make it in round shape, but I just want to flatten this. When you flatten them with your hands or with anything that you have, just flatten them. You can use a roller pin also to make it nicely, but I'm using my hands to cut them with a knife. Now I'm going to cut them with this is plastic knife that I'm going to use to cut it. I'm going to give them my own shape. You can make it round, you can make it longer, any shape you want. It's just a handmade uh candy and it's so good, very delicious. But this is for kids. If you know you have sugar problems, do not eat. I made this for my kids and I'm going to make them once in a while, not every time. It contains sugar, but they're also good for kids. Yes. So now after cutting them, look at how it came out. So I'm going to allow it to cool down for some time to harden it a bit and put them in this jar. So this is where I put them. And thank you for watching this video. Until I come your way next time. See you.